have a message to your children and apo.
God will hear everything you ask for as long as it is good for you and for your future. If it is not good for you, God will not give it to you. So do not be discontent. Always ask for what is good for you now and in the future. If it is not granted, it is not good for you. Trust God. Trust God. Have faith in God. Like a personal father. You treat him like a father. Okay?
Okay.
I know you are doing well. I am saying 20, 10 rosaries every day for you. There is nothing good that will not come from you. Always good. Always what is good will come from you. So, trust God. Always pray to God. God will give you all the help that you need as long as you ask Him. Ask Him. Ask Him. You have already ready for you. Just ask Him for what is good, and He will give it to you. Okay?
Okay. Okay.